FW Consulting tutorials. In this brief tutorial, we will review how to complete the employer packet. This packet contains a setup sheet, SS4, and 2678 document. The first document is the setup sheet. Please complete all the highlighted areas starting with the employer name, employer address, phone number, date of birth, email address, social security number, service coordinator name, county, and employee name. You may continue to the next document. The second document is the SS4 application for employer identification number. Completing this form allows us to pay state and federal taxes on behalf of your child. Please complete the highlighted areas on this document, starting with your child's legal name, mailing address, including city, state, and zip code, county and state your child lives in. In section 9A, please fill in your child's social security number. You may then proceed to the bottom of the document where you will print your name, sign your name, date, and list the best contact number. If your child has had previous services with another fiscal agent or has been part of the Birth to 3 program, they may already have an EIN number. Please contact that agency to obtain the number and list it on this form. If you need assistance obtaining this number, please contact your case manager. You may proceed to the next form. The third document is the employer payer appointment of agent. This document allows FW Consulting to process payroll on behalf of your child. Please complete the highlighted areas on this form, starting with your child's first name, address, city, state, and zip code. You may then proceed to the bottom of the document where you will sign your name, print your name, date, and list the best daytime phone number. Please be sure that all your documents are complete and return them to your case manager. This completes the employer packet tutorial. If you have any questions, please send an email to fwconsulting@wagnercpas.com. Thank you for choosing FW Consulting and have a great day.